it's just really, really, really lovely. And an absolute bonus coming this way rather than cycling. So now one can only guess we're going through there. But I think the next place we're going to is about an hour away. We've got to get off because they don't work at night time, these people. Don't have lights on the boat. But we keep getting these holiday speedboats coming through because it really is a massive twisty bit. So if it's a nice place where I'm going, I'll stay there for a few days again. Oh, difficult, isn't it? Difficult choices we've got to make. But I fancied that place myself, a little village. Kids running down, it looks really pleasant. And the houseboats with the dish on. And the helicopter landing pad next, if the fucking price is getting any more. I think we'll be stopping in about half an hour. Got to find our digs then for the night.